have whisk, we'll make marinade. This is super easy. It's basically a lemon vinaigrette. We have a name for it. We call it lado lemono. I know you can all say that. It just means olive oil and lemon. This is my lemon. And it's about 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice. I always recommend fresh lemon juice because you just can't compare the flavor to the stuff you get in the bottle. And you add your olive oil to the lemon juice slowly. What you're doing here is basically making an emulsion, so you want the two to come together. You add the olive oil slowly, and you whisk fast. And it's a 1-to-3 ratio, so it's 1/3 cup of lemon juice to 1 cup of olive oil. That's the classic lado lemono, or olive oil lemon dressing in the Greek kitchen. A little bit of salt. And my delicious oregano. Now this is something that we use in a lot of different dishes, at least in Greece. You see this in the summertime. If you've ever found yourself in a Greek taverna by the sea, you're likely to see really big, beautiful branches of rosemary. They'll be dipping the rosemary into this kind of mixture, the lado lemono, the lemon juice and olive oil with a little bit of oregano. And as they grill a piece of whole fish, they're just brushing with the rosemary. It's a really classic Greek sight. It's also something that we use as a salad dressing, especially we have a lot of boiled salads in the Greek kitchen, so things like greens, which we will see in the lesson on greens, or boiled vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower or boiled zucchini. This is a great dressing for that. And of course, it's also a wonderful marinade for things like fish. We'll see that in the lesson on cooking fish the Mediterranean way. It's a very simple recipe with a lot of different applications.